Here at GrowStation, we are developing contained aquaponics systems. Aquaponics is the way of the future, and it is growing in popularity. But what is aquaponics? It is an energy-efficient and cost-effective way to grow your own plants, flowers or vegetables by mimicking a natural ecosystem. Aquaponics uses both fish and plants in a symbiotic relationship in a closed-loop system. It works by circulating water between fish tanks to plants. Waste from fish produces nutrients for plants, and plants purify the water for fish, creating a natural ecosystem. There is no use of soil or fertilizers or chemicals in an aquaponics system. By putting this system in a container, we ensure that food can be produced all year long, in any external conditions, anywhere on the planet. The benefits of aquaponics are: the system is cost efficient and will pay back for itself over time. It's natural without any harmful chemicals, pesticides or fertilizers. The system uses 90% less water than traditional farming. Mercury-free, healthy fish. It's an automatic system, no weeding, no soil pests and no watering. Promotes self-sufficiency. More food per square meter than any other system with much faster growth. The best part is that you don't need to build a farm to get started in aquaponics. If you are not the DIY type, GrowStation are developing farming containers in many sizes. To get started, visit growstation.co.uk to learn more.